Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Beautiful. Looks like he's fed very well.
Yeah.
It looks like it should have been somebody's pet. I don't know.
That's probably what it was. And
He was found over there first, and he walked his way across the street to here.
oh yeah, he is beautiful.
Oh my God.
He's a big boy.
Isn't he handsome?
He sure is.
Yeah, I love his tail. He's got good coloring on him.
So unfortunately, in the state of Florida, they're invasive animals.
I know.
Don't tell me they're going to kill him.
Where I'm going to take them, they're not going to.
Okay.
We take them out to DeLand, or I take them out to DeLand to the venomous reptile.
Oh,
place.
I've been there. Yeah.
They
Great
have-
place. I keep them. Yes.
They have one other iguana, and I
Yes.
brought it out there. So,
Okay. I was just there about like a month or so ago.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, they have all the snakes and stuff out there, and the little
you gotta
pathways
tell
you
me where
walk
that
through.
place is.
It's just off 92 as you're out there.
I love
Yeah,
reptiles.
you'll see a sign. It's really neat. Yeah, it's a good thing to support. All right, you gonna watch this? Can I videotape it?
Absolutely.
Is this gonna be on OP Live?
No, that's live PD.
It's on OP Live now.
Yeah.
Do you need a blanket? Somebody said that you should cover his eyes. Maybe we should put a blanket.
I've done that before, but he's probably a pet, so he's probably used to being picked up.
That's what I thought too, but he was scared.
Yeah, he's not happy. He's out of his air conditioning.
Yeah.
Pick him up from behind, just like a little dog. I'll stay over here so he doesn't run. You're okay, I promise you. Don't grab them too far back on the tail because they can release their tail.
Yeah.
So grab him kind of up close to the butt and then under his belly like that. He can't spin around and bite you or anything like that. Just under his front legs and grab the base of his tail. Or come over here and I'll grab him. You're good.
Why is the neck like so long?
I told you he's with you. That's why
What is space?
you gotta go in there and get him. Otherwise he's gonna whip you again.
Look at him.
Here, over here. I know. Hey, I'm gonna need you to go on the other side. Grab him.
Oh my
Grab him back
God.
behind his neck.
No, can I hold the tail?
Hold him as close to that fence as you can. Hold him tight. He's not gonna hurt you. Hold him tight. That's enough. That's enough.
Wow. He's awesome.
He's a healthy boy.
He is. Look at that face. Oh my God, he's gorgeous.
He is beautiful.
I wish we could have him.
You're not going to kill him, right?
Not there. And I think I have another officer that wants him. So
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at his beautiful orange and green.
he's in great shape.
Oh man.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
So if I post this out on Nextdoor, I can say that that's where he was taken.
Yeah, you can tell him the police department took him
Okay.
and that
Are you going to restrain him there?
we're not.
Handcuffs?
Yeah.
You're gonna drive and he's gonna hold him?
Oh no, he's just going in the
He can
back
be in
like
the
a
back seat.
perpetrator.
No shit.
That's how I did the last one.
Oh my God.
The pets that I used to have were
Absolutely
smaller than that.
beautiful. Yeah.
And they used to sit on my neck and like nibble at my neck.
Oh my God. Do you want to take the lettuce for him? Feed him some lettuce?
We can try.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, let's get him in the truck.
Oh gosh, you guys are
You're
awesome.
welcome.
Thank you.
That thing was strong.
Grab the phone, take a couple pictures for me so my wife will.
Oh well.
Yeah, you gotta get your butt dirty, Victor.
We've already had him here once when that car went through the fence there and flipped over. Yeah, this
Thank you.
Look at my camera. He's gonna be in the front seat shortly.
This incident took place on October 6th, 2025, after Daytona Beach officers responded to reports of a large iguana loose in a residential area. Officers were able to safely contain the animal and transport him back to the police station. After evaluating the situation, one of the officers chose to adopt the iguana, giving him a permanent home and resolving the case with a safe and responsible outcome. All individuals mentioned in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.